like a dentist.
You look like a dentist. It's 7 a.m. somewhere.
Move your foot, Mommy.
Move my foot. Good morning, everybody. We woke up very early this morning. We're playing outside. It's not even 8 a.m. yet. But anyway, we're having a Mommy Carter date today, like I told you yesterday. I'm so excited for that, just to spend time together. Really quickly, I want to talk about my glasses. So I always get questions about these. These are from Warby Parker. I got them like almost a year ago. My mom and sister actually went ahead and ordered the same exact pairs. My sister got one, like this is like a little bit of like a blue color underneath, but my sister got one that's like a pinkish color underneath because they loved mine so much. I can't say enough great things about Warby Parker because there's just so many great things. It's so easy for anybody to order, but especially like as a busy mom or busy anybody. But anyway, you order a try-on kit. So they actually have an app that you can use. There's an iPhone X app that you can just hold the app right up to your face and it will tell you what kind of frames are the best shape for your face, which is really cool. You can get a try-on kit. You get to keep it for 5 days and you get to pick 5 pairs of glasses, and it comes with a prepaid shipping label so you can just send it right back. The glasses start at $95 and that includes anti-glare and anti-scratch, which is amazing because I always get that on my glasses. And I definitely recommend getting them on your glasses. The best part to me, besides like trying them on and how they're inexpensive and everything, is that they actually call your eye doctor for you to get your prescription, which just makes life so much easier. You can visit warbyparker.com/Beastons and order your home try-on kit. I'll have it linked in the description box below. Again, it's free. There's no obligation to buy anything. And you just keep it for 5 days and send it right back. What else is really cool is that after you order your at-home try-on kit, you can download the Warby Parker app in iTunes, and you can take pictures of yourself with all the glasses on and share them with friends and family so they can help you choose your glasses. So definitely check that out, but use warbyparker.com/Beastons. Every time that you buy a pair of glasses, they give a pair of glasses to somebody in need. So again, even more amazing. Absolutely love them. Check them out. I kind of wanted to do something a little bit different for fall, and I'm going to show you what I chose for my glasses. Oh, I really like these too. Let me see. Oh, those look really good, dude.
I'm like a dentist.
You look like a dentist. Benson. This is Laurel. This is the Wallace. So this is definitely one of my top 2. This is the Ames. And this is also one of the top 2. Very torn. This is the Haley, and these are actually, they coming up looking black, but they're actually like a navy blue. I'm so torn between these 3. Which ones do you think I should get? And now to send these back. Just going to go put this back in the mailbox. Let's do like a little Ella update. So the contractions died down last night. 37 weeks tomorrow, which is so exciting. And usually around 37 weeks is when I start preparing my body for labor. Oh, I have mail in here. And I guess I'll tell you later how I do that. All right, Pooh Bear, what do you want to do on our Mommy Carter date?
I want pet store.
The pet store?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Now where are we going?
Target.
What are we gonna get there?
I don't know.
We're gonna get some stuff for school. Target.
Target.
You want the dinosaur or Mr. Incredibles?
Dinosaur.
You want this dinosaur? Who is that? Where do you want to go for lunch, baby?
Chipotle.
Chipotle?
Yeah.
You want to have a nice date?
Hey, I want to put that thing on.
Okay. What did you get, baby? Eating mommies? Okay, just be careful. Okay. Mom life. You got cheese quesadilla, some rice and black beans and chips. I got a veggie bowl, sour cream and corn salsa, and white rice.
Carter likes sour cream.
You like sour cream, right? I'm gonna put some on your plate for you?
No.
You wanna just eat it off my plate?
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
I'm going to eat it all gone.
Okay. Carter, what did you just say?
It's the best day.
It's the best date?
Yeah.
That makes me so happy, you don't even know. So we just got home. I put the boys down for a nap, and I just wanted to show you really quickly what I got from Target. My whole hopes and dreams of going school shopping with Carter was a joke. It's way too soon. He didn't even want to pick out a book bag. He freaked out before we got to that section because I saw the toys, and I had to calm him down, and he picked out a book bag. I'm tired. I'm gonna show you what I got, and then I think I'm gonna take a nap with them. Okay, so this is the book bag that Carter chose. True boy right there. I got some newborn onesies for Ella because she literally doesn't have any long sleeve onesies to go under her sleepers. Probably need more than that, but it's good to start. This I found in the dollar spot, and I plan on just putting some diapers and binkies and things like that to keep in my bedroom next to her bassinet in there. I was out of Q-tips. This is also in the dollar spot. I have an idea of where I'm gonna put them. This, I'm gonna wait until fall to use it, but I feel like they're always sold out around fall. I don't think it smells like pumpkins, but I do think it smells like fall, and I like it. And then this smelled really, really good, and I need a good dry shampoo because mom life. So yeah, that's it. Let's see if this looks good where I had it in mind. Looks good to me. I wonder if Chris will notice. And this is where I put those pillars from the other day that I was talking about. I still need to find candles to put on top of them. Remember that time when I said I was gonna take a nap when they napped? I'm so tired. You guys are lucky that you're so cute, you know that? You're lucky that you're so cute. Why didn't you guys nap today? Huh? Alright, go nap now, okay? Good night. Good night. So, I'm recording on my phone. I am able to get my hair done. My appointment's in a couple of minutes, so I'm really happy. But I just have to be honest and share with you guys, I really need this break. I felt like I was going to go crazy today. My patience is so low. I'm so cranky that I don't even want to hang out with myself. So I need this time, this me time. And I used to always feel guilty about taking me time, but one of the best pieces of advice as a mother I can give you is to also take time out for yourself so that you can be the mom that your kids need. Because if you don't take care of yourself, you can't take care of anybody else. Sexy.
In the playroom with the boys, and I'm hiding from them right now because I gotta turn into the infamous daddy pirate. I'm gonna get them. pirate's here? Oh no, here comes the Tanner pirate. Ah! Wait, you're the pirate.
Daddy make you a delicious dinner?
Yeah.
Honey, do we love Mommy's hair?
What?
Do we love Mommy's hair?
Yeah.
Thanks, Pooh Bear. I just got home from getting my hair done. It was amazing. I love getting the hair blown out, and plus it was just nice to have like adult women conversation.
We survived.
They survived without me. They're eating. Tanner, Carter finished already. Elio's, some Annie's shells, and some barbecue chicken. I love you, Carter.
You said that a couple times while you were gone.
You're so sweet, baby. I love you, buddy. And so Chris made like barbecue kebabs and rice, and for dinner I'm having mangoes and cucumbers with tahini.
So weird.
I really think.
What'd you do?
I really think the day that when my appetite was increased, I think that it was from the steroid shots, because I'm like nauseous again. Good night, stinking. That's not what you good night. Good night, boys. So we just got the boys to sleep.
This is the weirdest thing ever.
And I really wanted to have a mukbang. What did you just call it? What did you call it before?
Bang chin or something?
What?
I don't know.
Why don't you like mukbangs?
Nobody wants to see me eat my cereal.
Let me just put this up here. What exactly is a mukbang?
Sounds like the dumbest concept ever.
I think this is mukbang right now. Drop it, my boob. Alexa, what is mukbang?
My bag is Lucky's my bag rucksack.
Who else loves Chopped?
I'm the sous chef of Milk River, Brooklyn, New York. Milk River is a Caribbean restaurant with a slight Asian.
Not Chris.
Who else loves Impractical Jokers?
Oh, look at fish.
Cute fish. So the threes. We're in the threes. I think I handled them magnificently. Always level-headed.
Makes me feel good when you lose it once in a while, because it makes me feel like I'm not crazy.
I mean, it takes a lot. Carter literally peed on the floor and then looked at me and said, "Daddy, I peed on the floor."
And then what?
And then I just said, "It's okay, buddy," and I cleaned it up, and I said, "Next time, if you can just sit on the potty, that'd be great."
That's not how it went. However, he was really like, I peed on the floor.
Yeah.
And then he walked through it.
He did. He walked through it while I was cleaning it up. So
Smiling.
That was a good extra.
He's so sweet, though.
That's what I was gonna say.
Was it really?
Yeah, it really was.
Really? Okay.
He is the sweetest.
He is
he
so
likes
sweet.
to test us.
But I definitely feel like the threes are the most challenging by far. I say that now, but I'm sure you guys are going to let me know what age you think is the most challenging, but...
He's a very independent thinker, which we like, but he definitely thinks of ways to make things complicated.
Who do you think he's like?
He's Tiffany. Even today, she just does these amazing things.
That's what I thought.
I'm a little bit jealous that you went on a date today.
It was nice. Chipotle was the best part. We had a couple meltdowns in Target, but Chipotle like ended it nicely. We made up for the chaos.
Yeah. He did say that he wanted to go on a date with me and you and Bro. So that was nice.
Yeah.
So I think we're doing a lot right, even though we have pee on our floor and some other minor issues that will all be fine.
We'll miss the days of him peeing on the floor.
Tiffany's doing a great job, isn't she?
Oh, thanks, honey. You're okay. I'm just kidding. You're amazing. Okay, we're making people sick.
Yeah. So go ahead, get your barf bucket. And we'll end this with a kiss to really make you sick as can be. But
I'm so tired.
I hope you enjoyed our overly...
Oh my gosh, you're like the sloth from Zootopia.
I don't know what I'm saying.
Okay, thanks for watching, guys.
But anyway. We're going to watch Very Cavallari.
AKA what Chris says, the J Color Show.
That's right. See you tomorrow.
Ended.
Better off as strangers. Believe me when I say, loving me is